Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
It was pretty easy.
As you can see, the walls were pretty plain. Now the table. I did a DIY about these candle holders. Please check my channel, you will see that video. The items on this table are almost from Dollar Tree except the golden ornaments. I think these are supposed to float and you put some plants in there, but you know, I did what I wanted.
And a partridge in a pear tree. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 maids of Noel, 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 Noel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I really appreciate it. It's not done yet. Keep watching. Keep in mind that I'm not a pro. I just did my best.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green.
Please comment down below and tell me which decoration you liked the most.
Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so